Hi everyone, I'm going to take a quick second here and explain to you how the dashboard works, what all these numbers mean, and help you get comfortable with this system. First off, in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a drop down right here, and this is where you can access your profile page. You can update your password and different things like that. So just that's where you go to do that. Right next to that is a QR code, and this allows you basically to click on that link and access a QR code. This is what you can scan on your phone. You can go into any of the app stores or Google Play stores and download an app called QR code reader, and if you install that, you can scan this and it'll pull up your page. Now if you right click on this, you can save image as, and you can save that and put it on the back of your business cards. But let's get back to the dashboard, and I'll just kind of go over a few items. At the very top here, you'll see some different badges, and the system is equipped to where it awards you different ranks and badges based upon your performance by marketing, meaning that if you're sending out so many emails and getting so many clicks, it's ranking you up, and as you rank up, you earn points. And points, you can actually go in and redeem them. And I'm going to talk about that because a lot of people are like, I'm not here to play games, I'm here to make money. But what you need to understand is that if through motivation and getting your teams motivated to go out there and earn these points, they in turn will make more money and build your organization. So that's the most important thing that you'll want to remember as you're using this tool, is make it fun, make it enjoyable for people to use. And the way we motivate them with these points is we actually have a store that they can go into, and they can actually redeem these points for real product. And so instead of going out and spending, $47 on this Facebook Secrets package, they can go and redeem 200 points and download it. Or if they want to learn how to market on Pinterest, 500 points. And they can accumulate those points by going out there and marketing their business through the system. So that's the top header portion of the dashboard, and something you'll want to be familiar with. Over to the far right is the customer service tab. Anytime you have questions, just fill this out and create tickets. Now, many people have asked us, do you guys have a phone number? Do you guys can we just call in? The answer is no. Use a ticket system. That's how we're able to track it and log it and categorize a ticket so we know what areas to improve upon the system. It allows us to organize that feedback and make sure that every single ticket is accounted for and every person's issue is taken care of. So just use that. A lot of the questions that you might have are answered right inside the training area over here on the left-hand side. If you click on that, you'll access the training and it'll take you right through it. Now let's get started on the dashboard. Across the top, you'll see some different boxes that have different numbers in them. And I'm going to talk about what those numbers represent. Okay, and how you know your funnel's working and your marketing's working, or what you need to change in your marketing to get it to work. Starting with the first one on the far left, says personal clicks. It is exactly what it says. It's anytime somebody clicks on your advertisement that takes them down that funnel presentation, the funnel presentation meaning your landing page into your video funnel, then the share piece that goes out to Facebook, and then ultimately either generating a lead or buying your product. And that's what we're hoping to accomplish here in any of our marketing. And so this will gauge how well that's working for you. So in this example, I placed an ad out there that received 1,295 clicks. Out of the 1,295 clicks, 571 of those people actually watched the video and reshared it on Facebook. And I know what a lot of people are going to ask is, can we access the list of those people who reshared it? And we're working on that right now, and we'll let you know when that becomes available. Out of the 571 people that reshared it, what that means is they've actually clicked on your link, and it didn't just take your link and reshare it on their Facebook account. It actually duplicated it or cloned it, gave it a unique URL, and placed it on their Facebook account. So imagine having 571 landing pages that go into video funnels floating out on Facebook. What's that going to translate to once leads start coming in? And And then out of those people, those 571 that actually shared it, this is showing 85 actually purchased product or joined. And then out of those 85 that remarketed the same funnel system, I have 656 network funnels. That means my funnels that I have out there, and also the funnels of those those people that joined up with me or are reselling the product as well. I can then see how many personal leads I've generated, 131, and then how many total network clicks I'm getting. And this is important, guys, because if you're trying to gauge the value of any product or service out on the web, there's two ways you can gauge it. You can say, how much would I have to pay to go out and basically generate 3,200 click-throughs? And traditionally on Google pay-per-click, some people brag about getting 20-cent clicks, but in most cases you're going to be anywhere from $1 to if your insurance leads up to $60 a click. So you're looking at a pretty extensive amount of money just right here in your network clicks. That's how you value how well your marketing's going, and if this is something you want to continue to do. If you're running ads that are costing you $25 to run and you're ending up with 100 to 200 to 300 clicks off of that, you know very well that's an extremely good marketing resource. So this is where you measure your network clicks. And in this case, if I were at $1 a click, I'd be at $3,200 in advertising. And if I only paid a little amount of money for this system, you can gauge how well that's working out. The other way to gauge the value of your system is the number of leads that you're receiving. And I'll scroll down here, and there's an area called View All Leads here, and this has all of the leads that you'll see in your system. And actually the first 15 leads, then you can view all the leads, all 131 of them, and you'll be able to see their phone number, names, email address, and if you want to, you can ask for city, state, and zip as well. But that is something that's available there. Now, when it comes down to lead cost, most of you guys know if you've ever purchased leads, depending on what business you're in, leads can range anywhere from a couple dollars for a lead, all the way up to $25 if it's an insurance lead, all the way up to $60 if it's an exclusive mortgage lead. If you're talking about just work at home type leads, usually around $6 a lead. So as you start generating leads through the system, you'll be able to quickly look at your system and analyze how much money you're basically generating in traffic and leads. So it's pretty cool how that works. There's some other things here with stats and badges that we'll talk about a little bit later. But this is the dashboard, and hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, rewatch the video a few times, and if it still doesn't make sense, hit that customer service tab and you can ask us any questions you want. At the very top, I'll just leave with this. This is an area that says your links, and it says your capture page link and your sales funnel link. These two links here, these are the links that you'll want to share. If you don't want to worry about pushing somebody through a capture page and you just want to give them the video, you can share the video link. If you want to push them through the capture page, you want to share the capture page link. Now, why would you use one over the other one? Well, if I'm doing solo ads or email marketing or running banner ads out there or doing pay-per-click, I'd want to send them to the landing page. If I'm sending a video as a private message to a friend on Facebook, I might want to use my sales funnel link because I already know who they are that I'm sending that to. So that's how you distinguish which one of these you send out. So let's stop there and we'll go on to the next video. Go ahead and mark this one complete if you watched it, and hopefully that makes some sense to you. Thank you very much.